Redesign exteriors, interiors, gardens, patios, interiors, terraces. With AI, in less than 30 seconds. Upload your photo, choose a mode and pick from over 40 design styles. Reimagine any home interior, exterior, or garden using AI. HomeDesign AI, Exterior AI, and Landscaping AI. Best quality, lightning fast, used by homeowners and professionals. Meet our cutting-edge AI interior tools and instantly transform your space. Experience effortless AI home transformation using our professional tools. Beautiful redesign and stunning transformations. Want to make your home look stunning inside and out? Our beautiful redesign interior AI feature can do just that. It helps you change up your place in different styles, making it look amazing. Redesign any type of interior, exteriors, or gardens. Creative redesign for amazing makeovers. Give the AI the freedom to be artistic with creative redesign. It can make more exciting changes to your space, creating a one-of-a-kind design that really stands out. Let AI rearrange furniture to change room layout and give it a different perspective. Fill the room with furniture and decorations. Ever wondered how your place would look with the furniture you want? Fill the Room lets the AI furnish any room type. You can try out different setups until you find the perfect one. Decorate empty room with furniture with HomeDesignsAI. Works for under construction or empty spaces. Decor staging and furniture showcase. Show off your furniture and decor in lots of styles with decor staging. You can see how your stuff would look in all kinds of different designs, like a pro decorator. Showcase any piece of furniture or other objects. AI furniture removal or instant room declutter. With AI furniture removal, you can erase anything you want, like furniture or objects, and make your room completely empty in no time. This helps you see your room empty and redesign it from zero. Room types and space transformation. Pick from lots of different room types that fit your vision. It could be a cozy bedroom, a spacious kitchen, or a fancy office. Maybe a restaurant or coffee shop? We've got more than 40 plus of options to choose from. AI intervention strength. Take charge of your design journey with AI intervention. You decide how much the AI should help. Whether you want just a few suggestions or a complete makeover, it's all up to you. Change colors, materials, decorations. Use our custom AI instructions to change colors of furniture, wall paint, and other elements. Let AI know what materials and what decorations you'd like to use. Change color scheme and design elements to enhance the overall aesthetic and appeal of the room based on what your needs are. It's easy. HomeDesignsAI is for everyone. Personal use. Discover the decorating style that suits your preferences and generate unlimited design concepts for your home's interior and outdoor spaces. Professional use. Make a great first impression on potential clients by showing them how much your work can improve their home and save time. Who is it for? HomeDesignsAI can help you and your business save time and money. Don't spend weeks looking for the right home design. Visualize it in seconds. Unlimited home redesign ideas. You, your friends, family. Ideal for anyone looking to redesign or redecorate their home. Virtual staging by AI is currently the easiest and the most inexpensive way to visualize any part of your home in different styles. Stop spending hours going through hundreds of design websites. Snap or upload a picture, and watch how HomeDesigns.AI turns it into a hyper-realistic render in just seconds. You'll see exactly what your room will look like before you make any changes. Grow your business. Communities, businesses. Businesses, online groups, and entrepreneurs can all benefit from using HomeDesignsAI. If you run a home design-related website or online community, This tool can serve as an unlimited pool of design ideas that you can post about and use as engaging content within your community. We've also included custom modes in HomeDesigns AI to accommodate restaurant owners and other types of businesses that are looking to redecorate in a certain style. Save precious time. Designers, decorators. This is a game changer for designers and decorators. Use it to visualize any part of the home and experiment with different styles and designs. Use our proprietary virtual AI-powered virtual staging technology to generate hyper-realistic renderings in seconds. Save time and money by generating renders 1000x faster. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting out, HomeDesigns AI will help you take your designs to the next level. Sell easier and faster. Real estate agents, agencies. Attract more clients and sell properties faster when you get access to a tool that will supercharge real estate photos and generate more clicks and calls on your web marketing. If you're selling an old house or apartment with outdated and unattractive furniture, you can use HomeDesigns AI to show potential buyers how the residence could look with just a small investment. Use HomeDesign AI to fill every room with furniture and show the true potential of your listing. Save time and cut costs. Landscapers, gardeners. If you're a landscaper or gardener, HomeDesigns AI can help you save time and money with each of your clients. If you can show quick design ideas for any backyard or garden on your phone or laptop, you can quickly agree on the direction of a landscaping project and avoid long, pointless talks with potential clients. This will give you more job opportunities and more credibility in the field. Impress clients with ideas. Architects, home builders. Architects and builders can also use our interior design software to quickly show clients ideas that would have taken them days to draw up in a software. Get started on your project faster by helping you reach an agreement with the client on the general direction. You can gather ideas, save the ones that clients liked, and begin working on your projects based on the feedback you receive. Stop clients from changing their minds by giving quick design ideas. First Market features. The all-you-need AI home design tool. FAQ. Common questions. How does HomeDesigns AI work? HomeDesigns AI is a web-based application that allows you to transform and redesign all the parts of your home, including interiors, exteriors, gardens, patios, and everything else. Utilizing the power of artificial intelligence, the app generates new design ideas every few seconds, offering a wide range of design styles, modes, room types, and more to help you achieve the desired outcome. Whether for personal or professional use, HomeDesigns AI streamlines the design process, saves time and money by eliminating the need to spend days searching for inspiration or, in the case of professionals, working for weeks rendering new projects for clients that may not be to their liking. With the aid of AI technology, you have access to an unlimited number of redesign and decoration ideas at the click of a button.